Well, alrighty. It looks like it is 7 o'clock. So let's go ahead and get started with our 2018 Bowman Chrome HTA Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 5. I know that there's quite a few folks that are breaking with us for the first time in this break this evening. So if you happen to be with us on the live stream and have any questions, please put those in the chat and I will answer them as soon as possible. Nicholas, this is the 2018 Bowman Chrome HTA baseball break. Alrighty, so I'm going to randomize everybody's names 5 times and then match those up against an alphabetical player list from the product. And when I say alphabetical player list from the product in this case, because all 3 cards in this box are autograph cards, it will only be the players who actually have autograph cards in the product, not the entire player list. Hey Pablo, how are you doing? Once, twice, 3 times, 4. Oh, mouse will cooperate. 4 and lucky number 5. Now we've got Jake Bridge 0 in the top spot and Arcar 11 in the bottom spot. Alrighty. Blow our list up a little bit so it's a little easier to read. I'm going to cut and paste this over to the right and sort it by everyone's eBay IDs. And then we'll scroll through our list briefly so everybody can see which players they have in the break. And then we will tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, now that we've been through our list, let's open our box and see what we get. Alrighty, our first card is Eduardo Diaz, first Bowman autograph. Hey, Ben. Hey, Brian. Yeah, Brian, the Immaculate's next. And then our next card is a Connor Siebold refractor, serial number 286 out of 499. And it looks like we've got a little bit of color as our third card. Whoa, how about that? How about that? A little blue mojo refractor of Luis Garcia, first Bowman, serial numbered 19 out of 150. Very nice. Great hit for the Garcia spot. Alrighty, now that we have opened our box, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. All right, so first is our Eduardo Diaz. And that goes to Dan M4007. Congrats on that. And then next is our Connor Siebold refractor, serial number to 499. And look at that, Dan M doubling up. Congrats on that. And then lastly is our Luis Garcia blue refractor, serial number to 150. And that goes to Tension 799. Congratulations on that. Let's get another look at Luis Garcia. Not too shabby. All right. Well, that concludes our 2018 Bowman Chrome HTA Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 5. Thanks to everybody that purchased spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in about 7 minutes with our 2020 Panini Immaculate Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody.